Hello friends, welcome to another video. So in this video I want to analyze Tata Motors. So Tata Motors is in a very interesting position. So I think it is probably is bottoming out. So then it will set up for a good run, but it has not yet set up completely. But definitely, I feel it has actually bottomed out, and it's a very good quality stock. So I think it is worth analyzing and then keeping it in a watch list. So let me just get into this topic, but before that, let me share my disclaimer. So I am not a SEBI registered analyst. I am just sharing my knowledge, and then consider this as only educational video. It's no buy recommendation or sell recommendation. Do your own research, and then accordingly you make your investment. So if we look at what actually this Tata Motors is doing, no? So Tata Motors has a dream run, uh, and then it has reached almost in August. From August onwards, that peak it has reached that peak of around 1200 in August, and then from there it has corrected more than 50%. Okay, let's say around 50% it has corrected. So after that 55% of correction, and then it started showing some signs of bottoming out. You see that it's trying to go up above 200. It has not gone, and then around 200 it is kind of consolidating. And today, if you see in today's candle, so today's candle has closed above 200 EMA. So that's this line. So very clearly, it is coming out from its bearish phase. And the way that it has come out, if you see, it has formed a inverse head and shoulder. That's an inverse head and shoulder. So it has formed inverse head and shoulder and then crossed 200 EMA. So that's a very important one because the way that it crossed 200 EMA is a significant one. And then if you look at today's candle, no, today's candle is also very bullish candle, solid bullish candle. So what does that mean? It means definitely it is trying to recover. Looks like the stock has bottomed out and then now setting up for a run now. But is it the correct entry point? Can we enter at today's entry point or CMP? Yes, we can enter, but I think we can still wait. But if given the quality of the stock and then all those things, if somebody wants to enter today, also they can enter. But the challenge here is it has just crossed 200 EMA. So it will not straight away run away, but rather it would actually do something like this around 200 EMA for some time. It will do a little more consolidation and then it will run. So that would be a very good uh, consolidation instead of just running. So probably let's say something like this and then going that. So that would be a good setup rather than just going it parabolically, but it will not go. I think it will do something like this around 200 EMA for some time and then it will go like that. If but somebody wants to enter, they can enter at around 719 is today's closing price, but it will definitely touch this head and inverse head and shoulders resistance, that is 702 700. It will come here and then it will go. So around 700 is a very good entry point. Once you have entry at 700, then your stop loss has to be here 670, one stop loss. But if that will almost be around 6 to 8% stop loss depending on where you enter. And then since it's a good stock, if you want to give it some more leeway, you can consider stop loss here also. That will be 630, around 14% stop loss from this entry point. So if anybody wants to enter now, they can enter, but ideally 700 will be a good stop loss entry point, 700. and then now also they can enter. uh, but stop loss has to be either this 668, or it could be this, that is 630, and the targets will be 820, that is somewhere here. Immediate target will be 820, and then another target will be somewhere around here, 920, another 100 apart, and then another target will be around 1020, so somewhere here. So these will be three targets. The time period we do not know. It will come. First target, second target, third target, depending on how the stock is behaving. We slowly try to book the profits. But otherwise, in terms of setup, it looks a promising setup, and stock is coming out of its bearish phase, and it is setting up. Keep it in your watch list, and then once it matures, then you can enter. But even otherwise, if you want to enter right away, you can look for an entry around 700. So this is the analysis that I have for Tata Motors. So if you like this analysis, consider subscribing to my channel. Share this video with your family and friends, and then I will be posting many more videos in the days to come.